Welcome to the Marine Channel from Dusseldorf. We're at the De Antonio stand today and we are going to show you a pretty special boat today. It's not one of their normal boats. This is a limited edition of just 37 boats of their D37. And as you will see from this rather brash logo on the side here, it's done in conjunction with the Alinghi Red Bull America's Cup sailing team. So it's quite a special boat and there's some really unique features that we're going to show you. It's got a bit of a nightclub vibe going on down below, but come with me and have a look around. Right, here is this amazing beast. Let's get on the stern here. And we've got this beautiful bathing platform. And here you can see all the detailing. Now, on the top here, we've got this massive sun pad, which is really beautifully finished with the diamond stitching. But what this cover lifts up to show, or hide, I should say, are a pair of Mercury 400 racing outboards, which give this boat a top speed of 54 knots. And this is a 37-foot boat, so that is no slouch. So let's just go around the deck first. I think lovely wide decks and lovely high sides. I don't know whether you can see, they come up to top of my leg. I have my favourite pop-up cleats here. But let's just wander around onto the bow, where again we have a lovely sun pad, the obligatory carbon cup holders this time, and up onto the bow, where again we have that Alinghi Red Bull Racing logo. And there's our anchor, some more of those pop-up cleats, and wander back round this side. I'm going to start at the kind of socialising area, but before we start looking in here, just check out this hardtop. Because that is a very solid and substantial structure. We've got a couple of lights in there, again with the Alinghi logo on there, the Red Bull logo, but this is going to give you some serious coverage. So we've got a U-shaped seating here, and again we've got, of course, the cans of Red Bull, and nice detailing on that. Now this is a wet bar, and unfortunately I can't lift the lid because we have this rather fabulous model. I'm just going to see if I can, the lights are reflecting, I hope you can see that. Very cool model of this boat. But under here we've got all the wet bar gear. And if I just open that, you have a fridge in there. And then on this side, we have some storage. Or you could put an ice maker in there, I guess. And then down here, again, just a nice storage box in there. But let's get to the important part here. So we've got some fabulous seating, this lovely detailing on here. Bolsters just flip down, obviously, so you can stand or sit. But have a look at this helm. Just going to walk us around here. So there you can see, limited edition, one of 37. Thrusters, zip wakes, a couple of screens there, throttles for those beautiful 400R engines, VHF down there, and again we've got the steering wheel with the Alinghi logo there. So this is going to be a pretty amazing place to be, and thank goodness it's got a screen to shelter you from that 54 knots, because that would give your face quite a buffeting. But we do have some accommodation. So we've got this great sliding door here, and let's go down. It's a little bit dark and cool down here, so I hope the lights will show you. So it is all really dark walls, but it's very cool. It's a bit like a nightclub. So here you've got a berth up here. This converts into seating or making into that berth. You've got really funky lighting up here, but quite a nice seating area. And as I say, we'll make into a double. We've got the switch gear down here. But then if we look aft, going under the cockpit there, we've got two singles, but we'll also, you can see the track there, make into one huge double, and I mean huge. That's quite a space. Also down there, I don't know whether you can see, there's an extra little fridge. Keep some more beers cool. I know it is pretty dark in here, I hope you can see. Then, oh, that is really dark. In here we have the galley. Believe it or not, that's a loo, but it is black. The lights are on, but it's just that cool nightclub feel, I suppose. And there's a sink there, you might have to trust me. And a mirror there, a little port there. But it is a very cool, dark boat, as I say. It's got that real nightclub vibe to it.
But this is the range of the boat.
Right, let's go back up. Well, we hope you enjoyed that. It's really something special, isn't it? Certainly different to the standard boats that they produce. And one of just 37. This one's actually hull number 1, so the first one. So very special indeed. You're probably thinking price. Why wouldn't you be? 473,000 euros plus VAT, I'm afraid. So there's the VAT on top of that. But it is really something quite special, and being a limited edition's got to add value. If you have enjoyed it, please do subscribe and see what other videos we've got on the channel. Also, hit that bell button and we can let you know when we launch any other videos, because we've got lots more coming up from the show. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.